they told me that he said to them that they will never see chairman. I said to my own, in this house, he said that. They said
that they will never see Innonso.
Yes, and I went to the guy they arrested. That's the way. Now I said, did you say such a thing? What happened after it? Can you just tell me exactly what I said? Because I wasn't there. I cannot say what I don't know. He now said yes. That he just woke up. He was coming out to brush his teeth, and then he saw them. They showed him the ID card that they are from EFCC. He said okay. He asked him about chairman. He told him that he doesn't even know whether chairman is around or not. That it's a normal thing in the house. Everybody faces their own life. So they said they should lead him to the room to see if chairman is there or not. He said okay, one of them can follow him according to what he explained. But you know so that all of them now followed. We were like,
About how many? Were there how many?
He said about 4 of them joined him. He now turned back and were like, how can all of you follow me to somebody's house just like that? Okay, so show me your search warrant for me to do that. And they said, okay, because of that, you are obstructing the sea. And they arrested him.
So where is he now?
He has been bailed when the staff came. The staff members, they got to know about it and they came and they were shouting on solidarity and they released him.
Unconditionally. So where is Chief now?
Chief has been. Chief came down when because you know this kind of thing, this is Nigeria, you know it. And somebody can frame to be anybody or be any force, you know. So for chairman to just come down, I don't know. It has to be sure. It has been happening. Some people can come like army people. You come and they will kidnap you. It's the right thing. So when chairman now saw, according to them, because I don't even know when chairman came down, I left. I went upstairs. But I heard that chairman came down. When I came down, I saw that the head had come. The chairman saw the head.
So,
that was how
did he go with them?
Yes. That was how he knew that actually this is from EFCC. He came down and was asking me, can you exactly tell me what I did that you people should do this kind of thing to me in my own house? That was his question. And when I went to the Ogas but I don't know his name, I said, sir, the chairman has come down just like this is one second, he's here now. But can you please tell me what exactly what he did? We need to know as well as the family member. The man said, who am I to ask him any question? I said, but we have friends to know something about it. And he didn't have clue of why you are taking him out from the house. Do you understand? So my mom was like, the wife was angry. Why are you doing this? Is it because we are Igbo? The man now answered, but yes, because we are Igbos. I was like, what? Sir, you are a federal government, so we are one Nigeria. I cannot answer that. The next thing I got from my chick is basic slap.
Who slapped you?
The head. I said, sir.
The head of the
confirm that
EFCC?
Because you are acting, yes, the EFCC head. You confirm because you are acting because we are Igbos. You confirm me by slapping me. And I got it. We are Igbos. But remember, you are Nigerian. You are federal government as you are here, and we are one Nigeria.
Okay, so eventually Chief agreed to go with them.
Entered the car smoothly and they left.
Did they injure anybody in the house?
So apart from throwing tear gas, not minding that 4-month-old baby was in the house. He's in the house right now. And the 4 months and 6-year-old child is in the house, and they were throwing tear gas all over the house.
Why did they do that? Did anybody fight them or?
Nobody fight them. The staff that came were shouting on solidarity. Nobody fought them. I personally made sure that they did not do so. I told them, you can say anything. I know that it's your staff that they arrested. But please, don't do anything to them. Don't obstruct justice. Allow them to do their work. And they listen. The next thing I heard is tears all over the house.
So what is the next line of action for the family now?
That is based on how they take it. We know how to follow.
Was there any pre-existing matter between EFCC or the authorities and the chief?
Not to my own knowledge.
He has never been invited before?
No. To my own knowledge, no.
We overheard some of the...
I heard chairman telling them, but you people never invited me. They said
so,
they did.
So they never...
The chairman was telling me, I never got your invitation.
Do you think it's a witch hunt?
I don't know.
And do you think he's politically motivated?
I don't know.
He doesn't have any political ambition or supporting anybody.
Have you ever heard that he has come out as innocent to be on one party since you have been in this country? He doesn't have that kind of motive.
Thank you very much.